My name is Kelly Weiler, and I am a painter, and I live in Ohio with my family. My studio is located in Zanesville, in the historical district of Putnam. We're surrounded by trains and rivers, and we also have an amazing art community in our town. You can find my studio open twice a week to the public, where you can just come through and browse and see all of the curated items that I picked out for the retail area. Much is handmade by local artisans. Some may be from people that I've met at retreats, and I have a variety of artist supplies that I also sell there. I have art prints, handmade macrame, soy candles, clothing that is upcycled, and just original, beautiful, colorful art. The clothing that I carry, I like to find from either fair trade or just to make sure it's responsibly sourced. My very favorite thing to do is to paint and create. So you will find me inside the studio on a regular basis, coming up with classes. I teach every week inside my membership group, and I also teach local workshops as well as retreats throughout the United States. My favorite thing to do as well as to teach is the intuitive art process. The process of painting just with your intuition is really, really honing into the skill of listening to yourself, letting yourself be free while you paint, letting yourself having the freedom to even make mistakes. That's how you learn. I feel like this is a necessary step to take in order to grow your own style, which I like to call your own fingerprint of painting. There is so much mind work that goes into the painting process, and just breaking down those barriers of years of different things that you've allowed yourself to believe, such as you can't make a living by creating art, that whole starving artist mentality. And it takes a lot of mind work to break through all of that, and that is what I try to teach inside my classes and my workshops. And hopefully when people even enter my studio itself, I hope they leave inspired, and I want them to go home with that want and need of jumping into their creativity, no matter what it is.